Fact number 1. You could get the Model T in any color, as long as it was black. Actually, early models came in green, red, and blue. But from 1914 to 1925, black was the only option because black paint dried faster. Fact number 2. It cost just $260 in 1925. That's about $4,000 today. Before the Model T, cars cost 2 to 3 years of salary. Ford made it only 3 months of salary. Fact number 3. It ran on ethanol, gasoline, or even hemp fuel. Henry Ford believed ethanol was the future, and it got 13 to 21 miles per gallon. Not bad for 1908. Fact number 4. No steering wheel. Well, sort of. It used a tiller like a boat. And pedals? 3 pedals on the floor. 1 for reverse, 1 for brake, and 1 for low gear. Confusing, right? Fact number 5. The moving assembly line was born here. Before Ford, building one car took 12 hours. With the assembly line, just 93 minutes. That's why the Model T costs so little.
Now let's watch the Ford Model T in action. Listen to that engine.